It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday! I am back. We're going to talk about car fragrance refills today because Bath and Body Works is having a really good sale. I say this all the time. The only time you should be buying car fragrance refills is when they are $1.95. Bath and Body Works does this sale, I don't know, like 4 or 5, 6 times a year. And it's the best time to get them because they're normally, I think they're like 3 for $11 now. $1.95 is the best deal. So you have to use the code FRESHCAR online. In store, you need your little email code, and they did just add Christmas. So they've got Vanilla Bean Noel, Pure Wonder, Winter Candy Apple, Fresh Balsam. Harvest Pomegranate is sold out. They've got the good fall ones like Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. I think I have a Pumpkin Pecan Waffles here. No, I have a Pumpkin Cupcake. I have 2 Pumpkin Cupcake. I have a Tiki Beach. So what I do is I store them in this little red container, and then I have another bin where I keep just my car fragrance clips because I just feel like it's easier to separate them out. I do have a problem where I will like pick 1 or 2 of these up a season, and then I kind of just, well, this one goes this way. I swap them out in my car. They're just so cute. This is one of the new ones they have for fall. I like them. I don't know why. They're like just super, they're super fun. Oops, that way. I was upside down. So I'm actually going to show you how to load them. I got a Halloween one here I want to show you. But, oh yeah, the snail on mushroom one, this one, $12.95. So the clips usually run, I think you can get them as low as basic clip. They've gone up. A basic clip is like $9.95. I think that's the least expensive one. Or $9.95. Just the regular stamped gold flower. If you want something fancier, they're going to be in the $10.95 range. The Halloween light up skull is $14.95. So here's the deal with the clips. Buy these when there's like a 40% off sale, which I'm hearing we might get one on Saturday. That's the best time to get these, or if you have a 25% off coupon, but 40% off is way better. Bath & Body Works has been giving us more 40% off sales throughout the year. I'm just going to light this one up. See how cute this is? It just kind of cycles through the colors. So if you're kind of like waiting at a stoplight and you have nothing to do, you can just sit here and stare at your skull and cycle through the colors, which is kind of fun. So, let's see, leaves, champagne, apple, and honey. Lots of the good fall ones. Like I said, I got Pumpkin Cupcake here. Is Pumpkin Cupcake available this year in these? I know we don't have it at the Body Care right now. I don't know if we have Pumpkin Cupcake. Yes, we have Pumpkin Cupcake. This one is fabulous. So I actually have a couple Pumpkin Cupcake. I think I'm going to load up my... Oh, do I want to do Halloween? Maybe I'll do Vampire Blood. I don't know. I have Vampire Blood and I have Ghoul Friend. I've got Pumpkin Snickerdoodle, and what else do I have? I have a Midnight Amber Glow. You know what? I think I'm going to do Vampire Blood. I'm in the mood for some Vampire Blood in my car. So, I usually buy about, 5 of these for the season. They last between, like, 2 to 5 weeks, depending on how much scent you want to come out. You want to come out of them. So some people after 2 weeks are like, this thing is a dud. And then it depends on the scent too. And then other people get like 5 or 6 weeks out of them. So there's 2 types of clips. Oh my gosh, remember this one from last year? Was this last year? I love this one. I kind of want to put this one in my car this year. There is a visor clip that clips on your visor. And then there is a vent clip, which clips obviously on the heater vent. And then there's a duo clip. So this is an example of the duo clip. Actually, the light up one's a duo clip too. So you can pop this out, and it's a vent clip. It goes right on your heater air conditioner vent. And then there's another piece that you pop out like this, and this can be a visor clip. I only use them on my visor. I don't know. I don't like the scent like blowing on me while I'm driving. I gotta say though, they do make your car smell good. I always joke around, my car smells like french fries and dirt. I've been a little better lately I actually am going to Rainforest Car Wash now all the time, and I'm able to like clean my car and vacuum it like once a week. It makes me so happy to do that because I do like a clean car. So, how do you use one of these guys? So there's a little clip on the back. By the way, I was laughing. I did a video a couple years ago on the car fragrance clip. It's got over 100,000 views. I'm like, oh my goodness. So these must be pretty popular. So this opens up like this. And then what you're going to do, it's a little tricky. These are a little bit hard to use sometimes. There's a sticker on the back. You want to take your little sticker off. And then you've got this like tab, and what you're gonna do, and you gotta kind of have to wiggle it. I can't talk to that, you guys. You gotta like pull it so it separates. There, I got it. So you want to pull this off the foil. There we go. So then you have the foil, and you have the pod. What you're gonna do next is you're gonna put the pod. If I have plastic on here from. I tried to take, these are really hard to get off, the plastic. Okay, I finally got it off. Make sure the rounded part goes down here. Because if you put these in backwards, you're going to have a big problem. They're not going to work. So then what you're going to do, after the rounded part is in, you're going to close the top. And it's funny because this one doesn't have as much, space for the scent to come out. I almost wonder if this one's going to work as good. Let me try a different one just to show you the difference. This one is from last year. So I'm going to do this, do the same thing, put this down, and then I'm going to close it. Look at how much more space you have for the fragrance to fly out there. It smells wonderful. It smells like vampire blood. It's the plum. It's the floral. It's really good. So then, like I said, what you're going to do is you're going to put this either on your visor or on your vent clip. And the theory is that your car is going to smell like vampire blood, which is kind of nice. I don't know. I just have a thing for these. They're fun to buy. I do swap them out in my car, every couple of weeks I'll like throw a new one in. I always have different clips that I use. But it does. It kind of just like when you get in your car and you have a nice comforting smell like vampire blood, you're kind of like, I actually do like the Christmas ones a lot. Vanilla Bean Noel, even though it's kind of light in the body care, is wonderful. So I highly recommend Vanilla Bean Noel. Winter Candy Apple is a lot stronger. So if you want your car to smell like Vanilla Candy Apple, Winter Candy Apple, go for that one. And then Fresh Balsam will make your car smell like a Christmas tree. So that's always a delightful one. So anyway, lots of choices in, Spice Pumpkin and Patchouli. I didn't know they had that one. That looks good. Pumpkin Apple. That is one of my favorites. I might do a little haul today. I don't know. I might actually just stop in the store and pick a couple of these up. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of the car fragrances this year. Are you using them? And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.